Hello everyone, today we're just going to be building a floating eye. Just kidding, it's a dog. I tricked you there. So let's take it apart and I'll show you how to build you. I'm talking to the dog. Alright, we're done. No time lapse needed here. So, let's start putting it together. But before we can do that, we'll show you the pieces. You need one 2x4, one 2x2, one 1x2 flat piece with a hinge thing, and two 2x2 inverted slope pieces. And this dog is going to be really easy to make. So let's start building by doing this. Build the legs by putting 2x2 inverted slope pieces like this. Looks like a little arch. Now let's get this hinge piece going back. And now it's a tail. And let's get eye, so the head on here. And we are done. Definitely subscribe. We need subscribers. And it would be great if you subscribe to our channel. And also hit the notification button because it's best you get a notification on when we post this video or another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!